In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed PDF, Google Slides, and Google Drive files in Confluence Cloud. Embedding these files directly into your Confluence pages can streamline your workflow by providing easy access and eliminating the need to navigate elsewhere. So let's dive in and explore how this can be done with a few straightforward steps. First, let's begin with embedding a PDF in Confluence Cloud. You'll want to start by editing your Confluence page. Enter your editing mode to enable modifications. In your Confluence editor, you'll need to type file, which will prompt a list of options where you need to select image, video, or file. This command allows you to upload the content from your local storage. Proceed to upload your PDF file. Once the PDF is uploaded, you will need to type hash or PDF in the editor. This command is specific, calling forth an option for you to embed the PDF you've just uploaded. Select the PDF file from the list, and it should be embedded directly into your Confluence page. This straightforward method ensures that your PDF content is easily available for anyone accessing the page. Now let's move on to embedding Google Slides in Confluence Cloud. Open up your Google Slides presentation that you wish to embed. You should see the Share button on the top right corner of your Google Slides interface. Clicking on this button will bring up the sharing settings. Here, it's crucial to set the general access to anyone with the link. Once you've done that, proceed to click Copy Link to get the sharing URL of your slides. Then, return to your Confluence page and paste this link. You'll notice a floating menu will appear upon clicking the pasted link. From this menu, choose the drop-down arrow and select Embed. Your Google Slides presentation will now be seamlessly integrated into the Confluence document, providing a visual and interactive element for viewers. Finally, let's cover how to embed files from Google Drive. In your Google Drive, locate the file you wish to embed, right-click on it, and select Share. As with the Google Slides process, set the general access to anyone with the link and copy the link. Navigate back to your Confluence page and paste the link. Again, clicking on the link brings up a floating menu. Select the drop-down and choose Embed. The file will then be accessible directly in your Confluence page, making it easier for collaborators to view and interact with shared documents without leaving the page. By following these steps, you'll effectively integrate PDF, Google Slides, and Google Drive files into Confluence Cloud, enhancing the functionality and accessibility of your pages. Thank you for watching, and happy embedding!